construction is done without this thing meeting of the corporation.
See, we had taken post facto approval for that. Okay, see now, like I was explaining also, see, any delay is revenue loss to the corporation. Now, if you're talking about a 3-month delay or a 4-month delay when it comes to tendering, you're talking about a potential revenue loss of 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. That is a lot of money to be lost also, right? So now, for the sake of time, for the sake of speed and everything, we have taken post facto approval and we have brought it to the council also. The agreement is not signed. Once it is signed, we're going to bring it to the council for approval also now. There is nothing wrong. Anybody can please come and look at any of our documents also now. Pay parking tender now, we have gone off Uday's rate and we have increased it by 15 or 20%. So none of these successes the opposition claim for their own also. If you're talking about the ferry collection, we have collected around some 90 lakhs. That is the highest collection in the past 10 years. So now when they are talking about, when you have the ferry collection, right? Goans who are there are a handful of Goans, maybe 5, 10 of them who are traditionally come for the thing. You're telling me 10 people now should benefit over thousands of people in the city. That's what I'm saying. No, 90 lakhs now, that 90 lakhs is going towards the benefit and towards the development of the corporation also. We want to start, now see, all the corporators are crying for development work. Where does that money come from? It comes from the corporation. Now if that 90 lakhs extra is going towards the benefit and development in their world, they should be happy about it. The opposition also themselves have said there is no issue with what you have done. Every time you have made a decision, you have brought in extra revenue to the CCB. It's good. So the only thing they...
Yeah.
See that we had sent our engineer already to do one thing. His report is there. If it is illegal, we will demolish it or whatever.
So come back to this pay parking. After pay parking, is it on hold or it will continue?
See now,
the council has, I think they have taken this.
So they want to retender, we'll retender. That's what I'm saying. But now to retender also will take me 4 months, 5 months. Now what is that? Like 50 lakhs is gone by now. It is a lost revenue to the corporation. Who is paying for that? See, it is easy for the opposition to raise issues because they ultimately now 50 lakhs they don't care. No. What is the issue for them to say?
Now what will be the status of that?
Now it will
be on hold or?
No, see, the council wants to put it on hold and wants to retender. I'll have to retender.
Okay.
Now the problem is now I have lost 5 months of revenue. No, where is that money going to come from?
The parking payment will be taken by the
how?
contractor.
See, no, if you are retendering, then it cannot be this thing also. No, we'll have to tell the contractor to put all the thing on hold.
Now what he is saying now in the recently these 3-4 days, nobody knows when the amount of the pay parking is going in the collection.
See, that amount will have to come to whatever is owed to the corporation is coming to the corporation only. There is no whatever dues are to the corporation that is coming to us. There is no question of where the money is going. Everything is not going to happen at all.
So regards to that SOPA, what will be the will be retendering SOPA?
For the SOPA?
SOPA.
See, we had tendered it for 1 crore. We tendered it for 1 crore. Somebody put a bit of 60 lakhs. There is no chance we are accepting that anyway. So now we wanted, our intention was basically to bring it down to 75 to see what we were getting. If we were getting, whether we were getting less, whether we were getting more. So then we could bring it to the council saying that so and so it was tendered and so is the modern council and take this thing. No, these people are making an issue out of nothing basically. Where is the revenue that they had bought? No, they are talking about issues and all. No. Where is the revenue that got in during the ferry collection? No. Look at the revenue collected during that time. 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs is a joke. This year it is what 90 lakhs. So that is what I'm saying. No, whatever we are doing is to the benefit of the corporation. All of this they will not tell you in the conferences. That they shout, make drama and everything, but when it comes to working of the corporation, they will not say anything.
So now you are not going to retender the pay parking this thing?
Now we will have to retender it also. The entire council has made a decision. But that's what I'm saying. Now it will take me another 3-4 months to retender. Now what is going to happen? Corporations out 40 lakhs. Who will bear that expense now? That they don't care about now. Now when they come asking for development funds, who's going to pay for that? So like that I have to take out development work from other cooperators and all now to get their thing done. So that is how it works. So it's not as simple as what they were saying.
So and what about SOPA? That also will be retendered?
See, we can retender it for 1 crore. That is not an issue, retendering. But the problem is now, see, the council anyway, if it is below the value that we are currently getting, why would we even accept it? See, the reason we tendered it for 1 crore also because it's a substantially higher amount. If somebody bid 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs, that is still higher than what we are getting right now, right? We would have accepted it. But if somebody is bidding 50 lakhs and less than what we are getting right now, there is no reason for us to accept it. Even the 1 crore tender, somebody bid 60 lakhs, we cancelled it. So we are not willing to accept it. So the same thing is happening here also now. See, we are looking at the financial interests of the corporation also now. It's easy for them to say when they have not done any of this in the past, right? It's easy to make a noise and try to distract people from the fact that they have not done anything. So that is what I'm saying also now.